These TikTok accounts are going viral by creating fake texting stories. And in this video, I'm going to show you 2 methods to create these TikToks and how to start monetizing them. Now, the first method is to create them by hand for free, but I'll also show you an AI tool which creators use to make hundreds of these videos. And if you stick around to the end, I'll throw in a few strategies on how to make your videos more original and stand out. The first step in creating these videos by hand is making a script. Now, if you don't want to come up with your own script, you can either use ChatGPT to make one, or you can steal one from another TikTok video. If you want to use ChatGPT to generate a funny script for your video, you can use this prompt on screen now and edit the number of lines and theme. Another method is to copy and paste a Reddit post into ChatGPT and tell it to turn it into a texting story. However, if you don't want to use any of these methods, you can steal a script from an existing video. This website is linked in the description and it allows you to upload a TikTok video and it'll automatically give you the transcript. Now, you may think there's copyright issues with this method. However, since it's just the text and not the voiceover, gameplay or audio, you have nothing to worry about. Now that we have our script, you want to go on this website, which is linked in the description, and using their simple tools, you can add messages to your fake text screenshot. Once you've copy and pasted your text into the website and you've customized the phone background, you can save your image, and then the next step is to generate a voiceover. Now, there's a few methods for generating voiceovers. You can use 11 Labs, which gives you a free 10,000 words each month, or you can use Microsoft Clipchamp, which allows text-to-speech for unlimited words. And for this tutorial, I'm going to use Clipchamp. So once you're on the website, you want to go on the text-to-speech tool and copy and paste the text for each speaker's lines. Once you've picked a suitable AI voice, you want to export both of these videos, and we're nearly ready to edit the videos in CapCut. The last step before editing is download some free use Minecraft parkour or other gameplay off YouTube. I'm not allowed to tell you what website to use, but if you just search YouTube video downloader, you can definitely find one online. Now it's time to edit these clips together. First, make your aspect ratio 9:16 and drag on your gameplay footage. Then add on your first speaking part, extract the audio and delete the video section. Next, you want to slice up each line of dialogue and repeat this step for the other speaker. Then you want to assemble each line of speaking so it's in the correct order. Now we can overlay our text picture. To create the text revealing animation, we can go on the mask tab and apply a horizontal mask. Now, to animate this mask so the text get revealed over time, you want to click this keyframe button, and after each line of dialogue, make a keyframe. Then go forward a few frames and pull the mask down. Repeat this for the rest of the clip, and now you have an animation which matches the audio. Now, to make the video a little better, we can use CapCut's audio library to add a ping every time a message is revealed. We can also chuck some background music on, and this is the finished product.
MOM, I got fired.
What, how?
I ran over my boss's son with my car.
OMG, what did your boss say?
He didn't really mind.
Why did you get fired then?
Because I showed up 1 minute late.
Now, I know it's not the best, but this took me not even 5 minutes to make. If you invest a little more time into it, you can add better sound effects, make good stories, smoother animations, and add trending songs as the background music. This is just a framework which you can build on and make tens of these videos every day. Although, what if there was a tool that could do all of this for you? Introducing CrayoAI. This is an all-in-one platform to make not only these texting videos, but tons of other viral TikToks too. Now, on Crayo, you can make these videos in just a few clicks. So I'm going to click on the texting story, and for the profile picture, I'm going to go on thispersondoesnotexist.com. This is a website that uses AI to make fake people. This means you don't have to worry about using copyrighted images. Using Crayo's AI script generator, I'm going to make a script about the same topic as I did in my CapCut edit. Then I'll adjust the tone and the hook of the video. Note, you can also use Crayo to upload a TikTok video and take the script from it. Or you can even write your own. It's got tons of customizable features. Next, you want to select your background gameplay, and don't worry about this because it's copyright free too. Then you can pick an AI voice for each speaker. And in a matter of minutes, it will generate a whole TikTok for you to export and download. You can also go in and edit the video to your liking. Using this tool instead of doing it by hand, you can upscale production to making hundreds of these TikToks a day. Now, the last thing I'll mention in this video is ways to change up your content so it's different to everyone else's. This is especially beneficial now, as tons of people are creating these types of videos. I've seen various takes on this niche, such as people singing the lyrics instead of saying them, using celebrity AI voices, or even stories where they use the Riz app to make responses. Adding this layer of originality makes a huge difference in whether your video will go viral or not. So my best advice is to study loads of these videos and try and mix it with a different idea or topic which hasn't been done before. And if you want to see more tutorials like this where I teach you how to create viral TikToks, comment down below what type of video I should recreate next.